this is gross. Hungarian Hiccups, Part 17, Part 18. Hi-ho! And you have it. Yes, let's start again.
Hungarian Hiccups.
Do you feel about the street again?
Music by Johannes Brahms. Way to go, Rocket! This is spectacular! Great flying, Rocket! Hi, I'm Leah, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line. Look at the planes! And jets! And helicopters! We know you're gonna win, Rocket! You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever! Rocket is
really fast! Can you learn?
Wow! Rocket is singing his special race song!
What's the matter, Rocket? I'm sorry, we're going to be dead.
Don't be nervous, Rocket. You're gonna win this race. I know it.
Don't do that with the sneeze. I'm so sorry. Let's land.
Every time Rocket starts, he goes down. But the race is going to start soon. But how do you fix? Exactly.
Roma, you want to bring the chicken noodle to Disneyland? Now? Okay. We have two. He's going to save one for Disneyland.
Intermission. This is out of the way. No, not we.
How should we surprise Rocket? I've got an idea. Sneak up behind Rocket and crash cymbals. That's sure to surprise him.
Don't worry. What is it? That's the symbols. Let's get this. Oh no, let's stick to the language. Anyway, just skate away. Come on, you.
Come on. Welcome aboard.
Staples on! Alright, let's do this thing. Too classy, I feel right to the West Coast already, yeah. It's sweet every while, agility 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the clothes. Please don't exit. What it go down.
Hey, eat your food, please. Want some of this? You tell me.
Oopsie. I told you Staples. Here's the Staples. Daddy, let us pick up the pee.
Share some cookie, okay? We got another one.
Sorry, pass at the babe.
We have to catch them. And
Yes, I don't have some croissant. No, I got to feel it again. Don't worry, Rocket. I'll be right back.
surprise rocket.
Perfect.
Otherwise, we can get from
Now clap your cymbals.
Oh, shh. I'm sure he's scared.
And when we clap our cymbals, clap your cymbals with us. Ready?
Great aesthetics.
Now let's surprise rocket.
March.
You get water, please. Got some water.
Ready? Need to go somewhere out. I don't know that the beautiful people. Movie, make me sneeze. You're right, but it's still right in there. Yeah, where's it going? I guess the one. Let's go to Rocket. It's Big Chad. Victory! Well, you got that. Wow, this jump is huge. Let's begin. Get a tiger.
You get anything else? There's coffee, there's fruit. Whoa, that stuff moving it up.
Ready again. Shh. This is a moment.